Let's four of the biggest names in the industry: Intel, Intc, Meta Platforms, Meta, Amazon AMZN, and Microsoft MSFT. Each of these companies dominates different segments of the tech world, and in 2024, they're all poised to offer unique opportunities for investors. So, which one should you add to your portfolio? Let's break them down one by one. 1. Intel stock, Intc. First, let's talk about Intel, a name synonymous with computing power. Intel has been a cornerstone in the semiconductor industry for decades. As the world's largest manufacturer of microprocessors for personal computers, its chips are found in everything from laptops to data centers. However, Intel has faced increasing competition from companies like AMD and NVIDIA in recent years. So, why would Intel still be a good buy in 2024? Intel is in the middle of a massive transformation. It's working on expanding its manufacturing capabilities through its IDM 2.0 strategy, which includes building new semiconductor fabrication plants. As chip shortages continue to affect various industries, Intel is positioning itself as a key player in rebuilding supply chains. Additionally, its advancements in the areas of artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and 5G make it a long-term investment worth considering. If Intel succeeds in this turnaround and leverages its expertise in AI and cloud, the stock has the potential to bounce back, especially at its current undervalued price. While some investors may be wary due to recent challenges, its plans to tap into high-performance computing markets and the increasing demand for autonomous vehicles and Internet of Things, IoT, devices could drive future growth. 2. Meta Platforms stock, Meta. Next up is Meta, the company formerly known as Facebook. Meta has undergone a massive rebranding to position itself as a leader in the metaverse, a virtual world where people interact through augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. While its core business still relies on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, Meta's investment in the metaverse could make it a game changer over the next decade. So, why consider Meta stock in 2024? For one, Meta continues to dominate the online advertising space, particularly in mobile ads, which makes it a cash-generating machine. Despite economic headwinds, its user base remains enormous, with over 3 billion monthly active users across its platforms. This provides a strong foundation for its future growth, especially as it introduces new ad formats and e-commerce solutions across Instagram and WhatsApp. The major wildcard for Meta, however, is its bet on the metaverse through Reality Labs. Meta is pouring billions of dollars into developing AR/VR technologies, and while the market is still in its early stages, Meta aims to be a leader in this space. If the metaverse takes off in the next few years, Meta could see significant growth from this new frontier. However, it's important to note that Meta has faced regulatory scrutiny and has had to deal with privacy issues, which may pose risks in the short term. But if you believe in the future of the metaverse and Meta's ability to innovate, it could be a solid buy for 2024 and beyond. 3. Amazon stock, AMZN. Third on our list is Amazon, a tech behemoth that needs little introduction. While Amazon is most famous for its e-commerce dominance, what many investors focus on is its lucrative Amazon Web Services, AWS, business. AWS is the largest provider of cloud infrastructure in the world, powering everything from startups to Fortune 500 companies. So, why should you consider Amazon stock in 2024? One word: diversification. Amazon isn't just about online shopping. It's cloud computing, advertising, and streaming, Prime Video. Businesses are growing at a rapid pace. AWS, in particular, remains a key driver of Amazon's profitability. As more companies shift to cloud services, AWS will likely continue to grow at an impressive rate. Beyond AWS, Amazon is making bold moves in areas like artificial intelligence, healthcare, and even autonomous delivery systems. The company's relentless focus on innovation and expansion gives it an edge in multiple sectors. Despite the macroeconomic pressures, such as rising costs and inflation affecting its e-commerce business, Amazon remains one of the most diversified tech companies on the market. For long-term investors, Amazon's consistent revenue growth and leadership in cloud computing make it a strong contender for 2024. Although the stock price has fluctuated in recent years, Amazon's ability to expand into new industries ensures that it will remain a powerhouse in the tech world. 4. Microsoft stock, MSFT. Last but certainly not least, we have Microsoft. Microsoft is another tech titan, and its transformation over the past decade has been nothing short of remarkable. Once heavily reliant on Windows and Office, Microsoft has successfully pivoted to focus on cloud computing with Azure, which is now the second-largest cloud services provider globally, behind Amazon's AWS. Why is Microsoft a good buy in 2024? Simply put, Microsoft is firing on all cylinders. Its diverse range of businesses, from Office 365 to LinkedIn to the Xbox gaming platform, ensures multiple streams of revenue. Microsoft is also heavily investing in AI, partnering with OpenAI to integrate AI into its products like Word, Excel, and more. Azure continues to grow at a rapid pace, benefiting from the global shift to cloud-based infrastructure. As more businesses adopt hybrid work models, the demand for cloud services, collaborative software, and cybersecurity solutions is only increasing. Microsoft's cloud division could be one of the biggest winners of the decade. Microsoft's gaming segment is also gaining attention, especially after its high-profile acquisitions, like the purchase of Activision Blizzard. As gaming continues to grow, Microsoft's influence in the industry will likely expand, making it a key player in both software and entertainment. Which stock to buy? So, which tech stock should you buy in 2024? Intel, Meta, Amazon, or Microsoft? The answer depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a value play and believe in a turnaround story, Intel could be the right pick. If you're excited about the future of social media, virtual reality, and the metaverse, Meta might offer long-term growth potential. If you want diversification and a company that's already dominant in cloud computing and e-commerce, Amazon is a solid choice. And if you're after a blue-chip stock with a strong presence in cloud computing, AI, and gaming, Microsoft is hard to beat. Each of these stocks has its strengths, and the tech industry as a whole continues to be one of the most dynamic and rewarding sectors for investors. So, consider your own risk appetite and which areas of tech you believe will shape the future. 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year for tech stocks, and now might be the perfect time to jump in. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on the latest in tech investing.